This is a very good test to learn how to deal with the exponential power. In this problem, you have to find the value of m when 3 to power m is equals to square root of 6. To solve this, first we need to simplify this expression as 3 to power m equals to 6 can be written as square root of 2 multiply 3. Now we are going to use the property of square root, that is square root of a multiply b equals to square root of a multiply square root of b. So this simplifies to square root of 2 multiply square root of 3. Now divide square root of 3 on both sides. This simplifies to 3 to power m divided by square root of 3 equals to square root of 2 multiply square root of 3 divided by square root of 3. This square root of 3 cancels, so this simplifies to square root of 2. This further simplifies to 3 to power m divided by square root of 3 can be written as 3 to power 1 by 2 equals to square root of 2 equals to 2 to power 1 by 2. Now this term is in the form of exponential expression as a to power x divided by a to power y, which also equals to a to power x minus y. So by using this simplifies to 3 to power m negative 1 by 2 equals to 2 to power 1 divided by 2. To further solve it, take log on both sides. So log of 3 to power m negative 1 divided by 2 log the base 2 equals to log 2 to power 1 by 2 to base 2. As you must know that log a to power x log base a is also equals to x. So this 2 and log 2 cancels. This is equals to 1 divided by 2. So this simplifies to m minus 1 by 2 multiply log 3 to base 2 equals to 1 divided by 2. Now divide log 3 base 2 on both sides. So this log 3 cancels. This is further simplifies to m minus 1 by 2 equals to, this term is equals to 1 divided by 2 multiply log 3 log base 2. So m is equals to, transfer this to this side, 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 multiply log 3 log base 2. So this is simplified form of m. So this is our answer for m in this equation of 3 to power m equals to square root of 6. So m simplified to m equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 multiply log 3 to base 2.